Self-checkout is made easy with the new Denver Public Library mobile app. All you need is a smart device and DPL's entire catalog of books, magazines, movies, and more at your fingertips. To get started, find the RFID tag nested in the item you want to check out. The RFID tag is a white, slightly upraised sticker that may or may not include the DPL logo. If you're not sure where the RFID tag is on your particular item, or you suspect the tag is damaged, please find a library staff person to help you. Sometimes, for media such as CDs, audiobooks, or movies, the RFID tag may not be visible or may be tucked underneath the plastic slipcover. It will still be located on the back of the item, and you should be able to check out without removing the slipcover, as your device's sensor should be strong enough to pick it up. When you're ready to check out, click into the self-checkout feature by pressing the Check Out Using My Device folder or the shopping cart icon located at the bottom right of your screen. Note that this feature is only available when you've enabled your location and are at one of our 27 library locations. Next, click the big green checkout button to initiate checkout. Your device will pull up a Ready to Scan message. Place your phone on the RFID tag in the book or on the back of the media item you wish to check out. When the app recognizes an RFID tag, it will say Checking Out. Please do not move your device from the RFID tag until you get the blue check mark that says Completed. If the device is removed from the tag before the completed message is received, or if the signal from the RFID tag was weak, the item will not be successfully checked out. Instead of the completed message, you'll see an error message followed by a note that says Step 1 of 2 completed, prompting you to try scanning again. Most of the time, the device was simply removed from the RFID tag too quickly, and trying to scan again will work. You'll typically need to check out items one at a time to ensure that all items are scanned successfully. Once you have all of your items checked out, hit the Finish button on the top right corner of the checkout screen to complete your transaction and get your receipt. You can review your receipt by clicking into the My Account section and going to the Self-Service Receipts folder. There, you can review your transactions by location and see exactly when your items were checked out. If an RFID tag was not successfully scanned, the library alarm system may go off as you exit. DPL's security team will ask to see your checkout receipt to confirm that all items have been checked out appropriately. Simply pull up your self-service receipt on your phone and show them your mobile receipt. They'll help you identify which items were not completely checked out and help you complete the process. If you are uncomfortable with sharing your phone screen for this purpose, they will ask you to go to the nearest checkout desk and get a paper receipt.